Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you this large 70.3 inches full HD portable monitor with high resolution wide viewing angle. Comes with mini HDMI and USB-C support. It has a very solid thin bezel, comes in with some VESA support. You can use it upright or landscape, and because of the USB and mini HDMI support you can use it almost for any kind of device. Comes even with built-in speakers, so would even be perfect for some business presentations. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, and then use it for some office and gaming application. So let's open the packaging, see what we get. Everything comes nicely packaged, really good protection here. You can see it comes with a nice case, which is also a stand at the same time. Comes with some decent warranty and support information, detailed user manual. Here good description of the cables and ports and product parameters and the VESA mount, and we can see it comes with dual speakers. Here USB-C cable, second USB-C cable, large power supply, then USB-A to USB-C cable, and full-size HDMI to mini HDMI. There's even a protection here inside. And so here we have this beautiful screen. You can see how nicely this is built with the 2x USB-C, mini HDMI, and even micro USB, which you can use for mouse and keyboard. Solid soft rubber feet here at the bottom. Here the openings for the speaker. Nice thin bezel. Really beautiful all the way around. Here on the side we have the power and the menu button and the headphone jack. And so we have this magnetic part here on top, and we align it here so we can hold and pull and put it here. Super easy. And so we have basically two positions. This is very safe, but we have also this a little bit more flat position, so really nice. And when we are finished, we just put it like that in the protection. What I really love here is that it's a full protection with a lot of such portable monitors. There's only a little bit of protection. A lot of manufacturers are just leaving out this part here and just have a protection here on this part. Here the protection is everywhere. So I have this monitor here installed on this mini PC, and it works absolutely awesome, at least as long as we have some image. Again, there's absolutely no mirroring, absolutely fantastic. Of course, when you have it turned off, there will be a little bit of reflection, but you can see as long as you have a nice image, it's absolutely not mirroring. And we can even watch here from the side. You can see really nice viewing angle from the top here and from this side. Yeah, really nice. I hope you can see that. And the speakers are also doing great job. I can increase the audio here. Yeah, pretty impressive what we can hear from these two small speakers. Really good job what they have done here, implementing these small speakers in this really very thin monitor. That's pretty amazing. So I love this thing. Of course, I mean, there's no ultra deep bass sound or so. It's not possible with this size. And so let's check also on the gaming performance. Here we are on Asphalt 9. We can see already the mouse reaction. When I move the mouse, it's reacting with no visible delay. I heard it's about 3 to 5 milliseconds. You can see how fast this is. On some darker screens, we can also see that there are absolutely no pixel errors. And so you can see how great this is to play. Makes a lot of fun. I'm the worst player on earth, but still makes a lot of fun with this screen here. And of course we have also these menu functions here from the left. You can see, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, ECO, DCR, choose the input, activate Ultra HDR, adjust the volume, put it on mute, adjust the temperature, color, different picture modes. You can see really a lot of options which you can change. And of course we have also the automatic input select, which has been working always very reliable. Yeah, I would say this is as good as it gets, and it is really a lot of fun to do even some gaming, streaming, office work, whatever you want to do. I think this is a really nice monitor. So I turn this thing a little bit down. Of course, the limits are the 60 frames per second and the 1080p, but you can see we are here playing a 4K video and it's still presenting really nicely. So if you're good with that, I would say this is as good as it gets, and so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.